Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because tomorrow is the day that I go and get my tattoos done for the tattoo food drive. They put up the flash sheets about 2 weeks ago and I've been looking them over, and I found the two that I want. I will put the flash sheets up here and for a little bit for you to see what I had to choose from. There's, I believe, about 6 of them. Two that I chose are going to be the flower here and the cat one here. Now, just a quick little briefing. Before I get my tattoos, I kind of like to get a visual of what they're going to look like where I put them. So I will show you the process that I do with these tattoos through the pictures here. I took the original flash sheets and I just cropped the size of the picture that I wanted. I cropped the tattoo that I wanted down to a small size, and I put it into a background removing program, and I removed the background so that when I place it onto my skin, it's just the tattoo. The foot one still has a little bit of white in it, but whatever. So I'll show you the pictures here of how I laid them out on the spots where I want to get them done. And just to tell you where it's going, the cat one I want to actually get on my leg, in the front of my thigh, somewhere around here. So you'll just see it when I have shorts or a dress on or something. And the reason for that is because, as you know, I already have a couple cat tattoos, but I really like this one, and I figure if I put it there, you can't really see it with my other cat tattoos when you're looking directly at this one. Like if I'm standing kind of straight on, you can't really see the other ones, and if I'm standing sideways, you can see the other one, but you can't see this one. So that's the reason why I want to put it there. And like I said in my other tattoo video that I will put up here if you want to know more about my tattoos, the other cat tattoos that I got kind of went a little crappy, so I'm hoping that this one will be good and that I will like it. And then the other one that I chose was the flower tattoo, which I want to get on, I can't show on camera obviously, but I will put it on the picture here on the top of my foot. I'm hoping to kind of get the leaf and the vein to go a little bit up my leg if possible. I'm not sure exactly how big it's going to be when it's on my foot or anything, so this is just a sort of light idea of, or a rough idea of what I'm assuming it will kind of look like. So that's how I figure out how I want the placements, where I want the placements of my tattoos and all that kind of stuff before I get them. So, you know, an interesting little tip, if you ever do want to get a tattoo in the future and you're not sure what it would look like, you can always run it through a Photoshop program and then just lay it out on yourself so that you will know before you even go to the shop what it looks like. There's always that you can try. If you are interested in getting a tattoo and don't know where you want it or what you want, you can practice first by placing it on your skin in photos. So those are the two tattoos. I'm going to get the flower one I want because I figure I can always add something to it later if I want. I don't want to take up a whole bunch of real estate on my foot because I feel like maybe later on I might want to get another tattoo on my foot. So I'm kind of putting it up my leg a little bit to make more, to leave more room down on the bottom of my foot in case I want to add something else. Again, when you get tattoos, you want to kind of try to think ahead of what you may want to think in the future so that you can kind of save some space for some tattoos. And I'm kind of running out of space a little bit. I mean, I still have lots of room, but prime real estate is kind of starting to run out for me. So these are the reasons why I chose those tattoos, and these are the reasons why I'm putting them in those spots. Tomorrow is the actual getting it done, so I'm hoping that I can film some of that. Maybe like while we're in line and just give you, maybe film and show you a sense of how big the line gets and just how long it takes to get in there and everything. And I'm hoping that maybe, fingers crossed, the person that's doing my tattoo will allow me to maybe film him doing the tattoos, him or her, sorry, doing the tattoos. I don't know. I will have to wait tomorrow and see. I'm hoping to be in the lineup by about 7:15 in the morning. Looking online, I have seen some people saying that they're going to be there at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I work every day and I'm not getting up that early to go get tattoos on the weekend. So I'm going to try and be there for about 7:15. So hopefully I can get some filming done there. I will see you guys again tomorrow when I'm getting my tattoos done.
Oh my god, there's damn flying.
My foot might jump a little bit.
Yeah. No worries. Sorry. No, it's okay. It's kind of normal for that, actually. Legs generally happen.
Thanks, everyone. I'm heading out.